Hey guys, what's up? It's Momo2 here with some updates. This is a Yu-Gi-Oh! Opening to 10, and first of all, I believe this is high definition now. I believe, I'm not sure, and I'm going to try to edit this out. To 10. Oh yeah, enjoy that. That's definitely this is a Yu-Gi-Oh! Update. First of all, just taking a hiatus from Yu-Gi-Oh! Pokemon right now. Not really interested in emerging powers. But I'm thinking about making a new channel for Yu-Gi-Oh! And it's gonna be called Budget Yu-Gi-Oh! Where I show you how to make really good effective decks on a budget. But yeah, that's about it for the new channel. I just think because I want to become competitive in Yu-Gi-Oh! It was always like one of my big things. I was like I gotta be competitive in Yu-Gi-Oh! And I never actually did it, but I became competitive in Pokemon, but it was almost like it was too easy. Like, I took over my league really easily, and I know it's not, sanctioned yet, like, the tournaments or anything, but, I didn't really feel like any, the challenge or anything, and I guess maybe if I wait for, City or something, then I'll be more of a challenge, but I don't know. So, this is just this. I bought 2 wind-up tins. Oh yeah, enjoy that. That's definitely high. 2 of them. I'm running Ancient Fairies, not Ancient Fairies, Agents. So yeah. Sorry, I'm fixing my hair. It's really bad right now. I really just don't even. I'll go ahead and open these up. I don't know what I'm really looking for. Nothing really. I guess trade bait. I just want the Pot of Duality and Christia. So let's open it up. Wind up Zen Master. Here's what I want. Dark Lord Christia, Elemental Hero Gaia, and Pot of Duality. All the others I don't know, I kind of want to look at it before I trade it. I'm going to open the Hidden Arsenal first. I'm not really trading anything right now because I need to build a binder for Yu-Gi-Oh! I haven't done that. Ever since I started playing Pokemon, I only have a Yu-Gi-Oh! Binder. So. What's this? Naturia Exterior. Oh, I guess you guys can't see that. It's the Fabled Kanishia. Naturia Butterfly. Is the glare too bad? I don't know. Neo Flamevale, Oregon. Dragonity, Corsica. And that. Okay, so pretty much poop. I'm gonna open this one this way so I don't see it. Maybe I'll get something good, like Trishula. Let's not look at it. Can't even open it. There it is. Genix Alley Changer. Secret Guard of the Ice Barrier. Dirac Dino. Naturia Stinkbug. When I open packs, they won't be like this. And Naturia White Oak. So that's it. So let's go to Storm of Ragnarok. Show you. Asceticism or something of the Six Samurai, and Secret Six Samurai Thunder Blast. So I got a secret. I don't know if it's a good secret, but I got a secret. Maybe I'll get a tour guide. I got that though. That would have been really weird. TG Werewolf. What's that say? Trade Toad. McLord Astro Dragon Aster. Too long of a name. That's it for the first 10. Yay for first 10s. I'm not going to open the preview pack, but there it is. Here we go with Hidden Arsenal again. Ancient Flamevale Deity. Neo Flame Royal Sabre. Guess I'm sorry about this, guys. Like the view is like really bad. I really actually hate so let's open this first. I really hate Hidden Arsenal packs. I pulled a Mistborn once. Cheese Striker and nothing. See you soon, girl. Oh, I pulled Shein! Oh, wow! No way. Dude. And then Shein in this one. Tire of the Nordic Champions. Did nothing. So nothing in Shein. So that's really good, guys. Really good pull. Yeah, that's great. So comment, subscribe. Peace.